Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are on February 11th, Friday. Eastern Standard Time is 2:16, and let's talk about what's been trading and what's been going on in the world of crypto. Okay, so Bitcoin, these are daily charts, so it's been dropping for the last 2 days. You can see there from its peak. Ethereum, that's all due to the Fed and inflation calls and all that. So what used to be coins and crypto, the crypto space was independent of what goes on in the stock market or the U.S. Federal Reserve. It's all heavily tied now to that. It's been like that for the last couple of months. So what I'm going to show you now is what's been trading today. As you can see here, helps to transition. Helps to transition. Oh. Okay, here we go. Yeah, there we go. So this is what was been trading today. We've talked about these coins, a lot of them. Let me just show you Ethereum. That's been dropping the last 2 days, as well as Bitcoin. Okay, so we know that is happening. So knowing this list of coins I just showed you, right here, we're going to go over those. So these are the ones from today. We're going to go over the last two days. So here we're at not a great P&L, 93 win ratio. Some of these coins are good, some of these coins are not good. So let's check it out. Alright, so the first one we have is a new coin called BNX. I don't know these stories. I just learned that the altcoin space is at $5 trillion, while Bitcoin may be at $1 trillion, $2 trillion. So the altcoin space is big. If you haven't seen my video from I posted last night about marketplaces and how you can measure those sizes, there's some pretty big ones now that have been established. Let me get this BNX. So again, this is a new coin. Well, it's a new coin to me. So let me, as I said, bring up the chart. It's always coins like this. That one's getting hit pretty hard, it looks like. Well, let me pull up the 15 chart. Okay, let me just pull this up. Alright. Anyways, let me, I'll come back to that later. Alright, so the first coin we'll look at is our usual ICP. Looks like we don't have that loaded in. Alright, ICP. This one's always trading, just doesn't stop. As you can see here on the 15-minute chart, it has come down. But let me go with a 15-minute chart like I usually do. Real steep drop there. But it did trade a little bit. Cosmos is another one that we watch that's been going pretty good. So let's see how that's been doing. Cosmos, which is Atom. So I'm sure a lot of these coins are down. There you go as well. 15-minute chart. So yeah, downward pressure. Then just in the last few minutes, it's been dropping pretty steep. Next one up we have is Algo. This one is up there, but it's not a top coin. Algo as well. That's not too bad. I don't know why. 15-minute chart here. Okay, so that's already starting potentially to reverse, but it did decline quite a bit. AVAX. Now this looks to be a winner when I last looked at this last night. Let's see if it's continuing to move up or if it is. It did, yeah. So it had some big upswings here at 9 a.m. yesterday, but you can see that nice little uptrend there up until this morning at around what time did it go till about here, which is let's see here. So this started to really decline around 11 a.m. my time. Alright, so what else do we got here? That's been pretty strong. That avalanche in that marketplace, that one's surprisingly big. Here's another new coin called FIDA. FIDA. I don't know this one. Let's see what's going on with that one. FIDA. FIDA. Okay. Here we go. So there's some new coins getting listed. Let's see what this, yeah. Well, that's been around for a while. Steady decline, but not as steep as some of the other ones. Let's see when it got listed here. Yeah, so this got listed in October. Nothing to brag about there. Okay, Engine. It's another gaming coin. I was wondering about the volume on this one. This is the Microsoft one that is on, I think, Xbox or something. Yeah, so this is dropped back too. A lot of coins have been dropping back, but we're looking for those coins that have not dropped back. Sandbox is another gaming coin. Let's see that one here. Sandbox, how's that been doing? Dropping too. So this is a sign of if these coins can withstand market pressure. This coin has been kind of doing pretty good. I've done some further update research on this one, DYDX, and look at that, it's actually growing. 15-minute chart, so that's done pretty good. This is a private decentralized exchange. This is funded by the founder of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong. We also have with Anderson, the big early day crypto. So this is holding up pretty good. This is where the growth seems to be, is in DYDX as a central exchange, or sorry, decentral exchange. I already talked about that in the past, but this is definitely something to watch for. Let's look at the hourly basis. So it's been very stable considering, and look at that, it's held its own. That's pretty strong. That's really encouraging to see. That's from today. So anything else listed? That's what's been trading today. Let me show you what has been going on yesterday, because we know that a lot of these coins will follow through on the momentum. So I'm going to look for some other coins we've not talked about. Let's see here. I think Litecoin was one of the other coins that was traded. No, I'm wrong. Okay, so let's look at some of these other coins. So we have some of these legacy coins. We have Bitcoin Cash. Let's check that out. That one's been a little active. Now the question is the Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin. Which one's outperforming which? So I've seen a few little positions here. And look at that. 15-minute chart. The drops are not as steep as some of the other ones there, so that's somewhat a good sign. We also have, let me check out Bitcoin as well on a 15-minute basis, because those two came up at pretty well the same time. Pretty well, not quite. So there's Bitcoin on let's see, the 15-minute. So that's really steep losses there. Bitcoin's actually not as bad, so something to take note there. I think we already looked at near. That one got severely beaten down. We'll just see here if that's the case. Near, not too bad, not too well. Yeah, here always helps to be in the 50. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Next one we have is GST. This one occasionally will trade, not very often. Definitely not a top performer. But again, 15-minute. That's not too bad actually. So this is not a bad coin, but what I did see on the hourly, let's see the hourly here. Yeah. But you can see these big moves here, similar big moves with sheep that I posted a few days ago. BLZ was the one I was trying to show earlier. This coin, I don't know. It looked really good yesterday. Just see here, BLZ. There we go. Okay, so you can see there it's been moving up one day. Let me see when this coin's been listed, how new it is. So this came out not too long ago. and July. Look at that big move there for this month. This might be a coin to watch over the next few hours to days. Yeah, there you go, on an hourly basis. It's not too bad there on a 15-minute. Yeah, that looks not too good, but still considering, that's an interesting coin to watch. I'm seeing more of it, which started yesterday. Dash. Let's check out Dash here. How's Dash doing? That one occasionally traded as well. Let's see here. And again, I'm on Binance.com, the place where you can make money, the opportunities on Binance there. It's getting harder to be on Binance apparently, but I'm on it. Okay, so the drop there is pretty severe for Dash. Now, when I say it's hard to get on a Binance, it depends where you live. Meaning I'm in Ontario, which is still regulated, where new people in Ontario cannot join Binance. Because I've been with Binance for about 2-3 years, I'm okay. So just give you a backstory there. Another coin I see occasionally is Alice. That one not so much, but I'm seeing a lot of AVAX, a lot of Avalanche. That's what's been traded for the last 2 days. Let's see here, 15-minute. But the one that surprised me is DYDX. So that's pretty strong, and the story of that coin makes sense. That's it. So let me go 2 days now. See any new coins? So this was 2 days. So this one's not too bad as well. 84% win ratio, 84%. And let's look for some new coins in here. Okay, there's a bunch here. One of them is LRC I've shown a few days ago. That one's not moving a lot. But it's really what triggers the entries, because it's the entries that enable you to say, yeah, that coin's moving quite a bit. So with LRC here, it's actually positive for today, which is rare. Actually, it's bouncing back pretty good. ENS was another one. I've talked about that. I think there's a story there that can be built out of with the Ethereum name service for the domains to be built on Ethereum. So that's an interesting one to watch as well. The drop there's not so bad. Let me just check out Neo. Let's see, Neo here. Neo. This one's not an exciting coin at all, really. Yeah, it's not too bad. Can't really say a lot about that coin. Rose, that's the Ocean Protocol. This was trading quite a bit a while back, maybe a week or two ago. Even for all of January, it was not too bad. So you can see there, the drop isn't too bad for Rose, so there's still a lot of momentum there, but you can see for January, pretty strong, but also pure parabolic. But this is what we're after, are these upswings, obviously. Another one we're looking for is Phantom. Phantom is another large, I can't say if it's it seems to be a growing marketplace as well. FTM, but Avalanche seems to be the hot one right now. That one's not too bad there, that drop. Yeah, it's pretty severe. Let's see, Adam. Oh, Matic. I am seeing Polygon everywhere. It seems to be pretty prolific in a lot of the new marketplaces, blockchains, But this coin's just not performing like you would hope. Like 2 days of losses there. Yeah, it's not too bad. But it did drop, starting to reverse there. But definitely not a top performer. Not lately, at least. Okay, here's Shiba. Shiba is another weird coin. This is just manipulated for sure, based upon the moves that I've seen. It's not consistent upward momentum like with what I'm showing with DYDX or Avalanche. But you see here Sheep had a little bit of an upswing there. Let's see on the 15-minute. But this is not an established coin. But it's not too bad right now. Let's see what else we've got. New. Okay, Win. I would say right now for the last 2 days it's been DYDX AVAX are really been strong. This one not too much. Win. Yeah, the drops aren't too bad. Wow. Okay. We also have here Flow. This coin used to produce or perform, but it's just not sustainable. And let's see that one. I think that's it. Yeah, so the last 2 days, 15-minute chart here. And again, if you want to join the quantlabs.net/contact page to get on the email, please do that. Going to be bringing out our new services. Well, not new, but yeah, new services and my mentoring coaching as well to help people build up their trading accounts. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.